This cameraman held up an umbrella for these monkeys so that they would not get wet in the rain. This baby koala right here is being weighed with a toy in order to reduce its separation anxiety from its mom. Watch this kitty cat try to get the snack. This video basically shows how hard it is for animals to trust people even when doing a good thing for them. This is what happens when your cat watches a lot of boxing matches. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.